Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Masood and you are watching the Concept Academy by Atiyah Solution, and this is the third part of our Smart Bazaar project. And in this video we are going to add an HTML template in our MVC projects. So in short, we are just going to convert an HTML template to a MVC Razor View engine page. And in our previous video we have discussed repository pattern, and we have created a repository of one of our entity, which was category, and now it's time to implement it. If you haven't watched the second part of this video, then I must recommend you to watch the second and first part too. In other case you won't be able to understand this. Okay, let's start it. First of all, I will have to make a controller. By default, when I choose a MVC template, so default controller, which is home controller, is already added, so I will use it. Okay, many more pages are over here, so I will just delete them, okay, for the time being, and also delete the view of these things. Like, I do not want to have contact right now. In the future maybe I will have to add contact or about us, so I will add a new template or new action result. Okay, for the time being I'm just deleting it. Okay, now you can see there is only one action and one. Okay, now first of all I will do what I will convert this page, this HTML page, into MVC page. As you can see, this is just HTML page, which is index.html. I have already downloaded this from internet. I will give you the link. Okay, as you can see, this is the template, and these all are the folders. Okay, this is the CSS font images. So first I will do what I will import all these in my project. Okay, so let's just do it. These are the CSS file. Okay, and as we know that we'll have to add fonts to images. Okay, I'm just copying it for saving my time. Copy and place in folder which name is content. Just paste it. Okay, now you can see following folders are added over here. Okay, and first of all, go to the view of this index page, go to index, and by default some HTML are over here, just remove it. So basically there is no HTML. Okay, and write another code, which is layout is equals to null. Okay, and remove this too, which is causing some error. Just write layout. This will do what? It will make this page to inherit the layout of this page, which is in the shared folder. So I do not want to include this layout in my this page, so I'm just writing this code, layout is equals to null. Now it's time to copy the HTML. Just go to the index page and right click on it and open with the Visual Studio. Okay, it will give you all the HTML. Just copy it. One more thing, when you are using a free template, you should avoid to use JavaScript file of that template, because many of the time the hackers put some scripted file in free HTML page. When you use it and deploy it on your server, they can easily hack all the data from those scripted file. So I will avoid to add JavaScript. I will just add CSS and HTML. Whenever you use any free template, avoid to use JavaScript. Remove all the JavaScript from that template, and then the template is yours. Okay, just copy all the HTML, copying it right now and going to paste over here. Okay. As you can see, this page is containing many things like CSS, bootstrap, CSS file, images and JS file. First of all, I will have to do what? If I run this, it will not show, a proper layout. Okay, I show you first that. Browse with Google Chrome. Okay, I'm running it on my Chrome. It's running. Okay, there is some error on this page, so I'm going to remove it. First of all, copy it. The easy way is to find. Okay, this @ represent the syntax in MVC, so I will just remove it from here. Save and reload. Now you can see that the HTML is not properly laid out. I want this view and I am getting this just because of the false path of CSS and images. Okay, now I will have to correct all the CSS. So instead of doing individual, I will just do a quick action. Note it, in the future you will find many problems and you will able to solve that very easily. And as you can see, there is a file bootstrap.css in CSS folder, so I will go to the CSS folder first. Where's my CSS folder? In the content, and I will just drag this. And now notice what is the main difference. The difference is I will have to put this tilde sign content slash before all the CSS folder. Okay, so I will do what? I will click on view, edit and quick replace, and I will copy this link href is equals to CSS, paste over here and copy all this thing, link href content CSS, and paste and replace all the link from link href is equals to CSS to link href this, and the remaining part will be same, and I'm going to click replace all. Okay, 7 occurrence replaced. Remove the first file which you added because it is already added here. Now it's time to find images. Control F and write img. Okay, we'll do the same thing for the image. We'll do what? First you can check the path of an image by drag drop. Okay, now you can see you will just have to put this content slash negation. Okay, now go to the edit button, find and replace quick replace, and copy it. Image, going to paste it. Images, copy and paste. Okay, and remove the first one and replace all. Okay, 43 images have been updated. Now check whether the template is showing correct layout or not. Okay, perfect. As you can see, it is an HTML, it is an MVC page, and very perfect. Okay, for avoiding hacking issue, remove all the JS file. Okay, do not use any type of JavaScript which was already present in your template, because the hacker can easily hack from its script. Usually they place their scripted file in free template, as I told you before. So I will just remove, and you can find also by pressing Ctrl F script. It will take a little more time. I'm just demonstrating you one view, and you should do by your own. Okay, now without wasting time, I will do next task. Okay, first of all, I will do what I want to add show category from the database. Okay, first of all, run this. Okay, it's time to add these category from the database. Okay, by default it is showing statically from HTML, so I will remove it from static to dynamic. Okay, I want all these category to come up from the database value, so I will go to the SQL Server. As you know that I have created a table which is category, and I will just fill it by writing a query right now. Later I will make an admin panel for admin to give him the right to add a new category from his panel. For the time being, I'm just going to add some categories from SQL queries from here. Okay, insert into TBL category. The first parameter is category name, so I will copy it from here. Mobiles, electronic appliances. Just write it. As you know that I have provided also a color and icon, which I told you in my first video that why did I choose this parameter, these two parameters, because I want the font color from the database, and because each category is displaying in different color, so I put them in the database, and each category has a different icon, so I also want that to come up from the database. Okay, now click on this inspect element, and press on this button, select an element in the page and click it over here. Okay, it is easy to copy and paste all the HTML. Electronic appliances, and paste it over here. And the icon of this is focus image. No. Okay, laptop. F laptop. Copy it and paste it over here, and just execute this query. Now you can see one category has been added in our database. Similarly, I will add 2, 3, 4, 5 more categories. Okay, and then I will show you dynamically on my page. Copy, paste. Let's come over here and add this mobile. Copy it. Green, furniture, and the last will be I'm willing to add automotive. What is automotive? Okay. Sports. I will color, sports. Okay, just execute all this. Very select. Okay, now go to the Visual Studio and find this heading, because below this heading categories are being shown. Copy this, Control F, paste. Okay, now deals of the day. The below you can find all these grids. As you can see, the column of MD3, 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 MD3. Many columns are over here, and all these are statically added. So I'm going to remove all these thing. Removed it. I just let only one, okay, which I will make dynamic. Only one is left. If I refresh this page, it will look like now. You can see only one is left. Now I want all these category from the database to this page. Okay, as we have discussed in our previous video that I do not want to code again and again, so I have to make a repository code. So I already have make some generic code like how to edit category, get category by ID, insert category, and view category, which will return a list. So I will use this method on my controller action. So I will just go to my controller and will make a instance of that class, which is category repository. Just copy it from over here and I'm going to paste it. It will show an error, so I will press Control dot and okay, as you can see, a namespace has been added, smartbazaar.model.repository, and I'm going to make a object cr is equals to new. Okay, when I press this, as you can see, I will get the list of all that method that I have made in my repository. Okay, cr dot view category. It will do what? It will return all the list. It will return a list. So I will do what? I will list of category. I'm not getting a category object because I have added that in my view model. So I will just have to copy it, paste. Sorry. Control dot A li equals to this. And now I will do what? I can return this list to the model, but I'm recommending you to use a Viewbag. So Viewbag dot category list equals to li, because if I need to send some more lists, so I will do what? In the same action I will use Viewbag category. So I'm copying it and go to the view. Here it is. Now I will write a razor syntax code. I will do what? At the rate if and press double tap. If the Viewbag category is not equal to null, each loop and place this collection over here, copy it and paste. Okay, I will have to change this. Right now I do not want to go to the any other page, so I am putting hash, and I will have to change this icon. So I will do what? I will add the rate item dot, and it's not suggesting, so don't worry, just go to the class and copy icon and index page and paste, and at the rate item dot, okay, and item dot category name. What was the name? Yes. Paste it. Okay, if I want, as you can see, there is no inline style, then where will I have to put the color attribute? So I have to add, because it is written in external CSS, so for solving this problem I will write style and color at the rate item dot color. What is that of color? Okay, now let's just start it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now you can see the categories have been successfully displayed from the database. Okay, the color is not showing properly, so let's just do it by inspecting. Let's fix it. Click on it. Okay, the problem is color. When I write red here, does it show? You can see I have put the style attribute at the wrong place. I will have to provide on anchor tag so it will work properly. Go to the index page, just copy it from here, Ctrl X and paste it. Now it's time to refresh. Debugging this. Still the same. Okay, don't worry about this color, I will fix it from another alternate code. Okay, right now it is all the categories displaying from the database. You can add some more categories from writing a query. Okay, I will see you in the next video with some more good information. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and please do subscribe to my channel, and must tell me in the comment that how is my content and what should I improve in my content. Okay, and then please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.